Phil here from PM Guitar Tuition. Today, lesson 2, we're going to learn our next 3 chords. So hopefully you've done your first 3 chords, which were E minor, A7 and a D. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a G chord and we're going to do a C chord. And we'll also do an F. Okay, so that's the next 3 chords. So to begin with the G, you can play it 2 ways. Okay, we can use the big finger here and we put that on the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then we put this finger on the 6th string on the 3rd fret. Now, if you want to play the chord, you can play it with just those 2 notes, or we can add our little finger here to the 3rd fret on the top string. Now that's the full chord. That's the full G chord. But if you're just beginning, it's fine just to play it with 2 fingers, as long as you don't touch the top string, okay? So 2 fingers is fine. So just try playing that, and when you get a little bit more comfortable, just add your little finger to the top. It is very normal when you're new to guitar, especially if you've got little fingers, that you may need to actually just place your finger on with the other hand and hold it on there. That's fine, okay, as long as you get the shape, and then it comes with the practice. Okay, so that's a G chord. So the next chord we're going to use and learn is the C chord. Okay, the C chord also uses 3 fingers. So we put the first digit finger on the 2nd string on the 1st fret, then your middle longest finger goes on to the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and this finger here goes on to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, okay? And that's a C chord. Now we don't play the bottom E because it's not really in tune with the rest of the chord, so we just play it from the 5th string up. And if you think of it like a step, just step your fingers down. So first finger 2nd string, next finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and the next finger on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. So that's a C chord. And the G chord and C sound nice together, often used in songs together. And the next chord we're going to do is the F chord. This is a simplified way to play F because it can be quite difficult because it has a bass note on the top here, but we can miss that out. So if we just play from the 4th string down, we step the F, very like the C. So the first finger goes on the 2nd string on the 1st fret, the next finger goes on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the next finger goes on the 4th string on the 3rd fret. So in a step again. So a little bit like a C chord, but this time we're just playing those top 4 notes, okay? And that's an F chord, okay? So that's enough for today. Those chords, G, C and F, are actually used in a lot of country songs. So if you practice those, you'll be well on the way to learning your first songs. And as I mentioned with the other chords, we'll take the C for example, we can strum it, and we can also pick it. Okay, so practice that, and I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye for now.